we dey plan to give am wheelchair and small thing wey go fit dey do because as him dey now,
Wetin
e no fit.
which work e dey fit work?
Na you see dey do all those small small entertainment but inside there, so e no fit dey, that one no fit dey give am something every time because e
Wetin
dey now, e reach out to us.
You sabi
e
sing?
reach out to us.
Wait first, you sabi sing?
Yes, sir.
Give am mic, give am the mic make e sing for us now.
Yes, sir.
Oya sing for us.
Menor Razalio said the boy of you were. Of your canine ni yata no woofa. Igbe Musaloba, my nigga, would level. I do my thing the way me as I do. I chase them far away. Tamiyani Yagiri. All thanks to my Lord La who made it drain for my fucking brain. Always fucking burning like a flame. I don't feel the pain. Now only one thing we know see, I be the help. I thank God for survive by be done. Where they make me say I want to be as I be like. I do the things that I do my way. My nigga chase them far away. It's a me way man. All thanks to my Lord who made the train. Yes, sir.
Okay, wait, leave her, wait. First give her the mic. You be the rap, you the rap.
Yes, sir.
Okay, use Don Prince to rap. Use Don Prince to rap.
Baba Don Prince. The only one way they give life to the privilege. The only one way they give life to the less privileged way you not get. We have a hope for Don Day Village. I only thank all the ways, all the good old age. I only thank for the tidings where they see sausage. I don't really care my nigga what if they talk about how much they want even pay me for that amount. I only pray for the people where they cover me. Don Prince. Baba, who got talk by every year the Wegwalo, who got me a double. Razali, everywhere na double. I only pray. I know they really get time, sha. Disabled for me no be excuse. Even enemies want use me the cash cruise.
Correct. Use Don Prince fast. Use Don Prince followers. Don Prince fast. Take rap. Don Prince fast followers.
Okay. Now when water full, now when water drop the turn ocean. If not be people wey gather everywhere for us too. I only thank God for people wey dey support and the good work and everything when he dey do. I know say that one na Baba wey don pay the dues, but Razali like me, I go follow the rules. Only make dem serve me glass of juice. I don tire to dey use rubber cup drink water. Allow Baba, make dem help your guy. It don really say when we dey start to strive, we dey waka from here reach Ikpobayi. Sometimes it go bust when we no get transport. I go be. I just say make I comport. Everywhere we dey stay, everywhere get taxi for us to sleep. Mosquito use us do Christmas. Thank you.
Correct. Okay, wait, fair wait. Carry camera face. Wait, my guy. May you know the rush. Fair wait. You sabi use Benite rap.
Yes, sir.
Use Oba Benite rap. Give her as in the rapping. Praise her for inside the rapping.
Okay. Oba Ogidigan. Oba Ogidigan, well, no giver. Razalio said the boy, every young when no boom. Anybody will be Ogian. Anybody will be Ogian now here. But anyway, I know be Allah Bewo. Oba talk be Oga Toya Kitty, no matter as it be Razali anything. Hey, Umabege we chase them far away. Me tell me where my nigga niya for those people where they drag a small children where they never see anything. I only thank God for the life where we they live. Anyway, I don't share no go. We they do anyhow. We they stand for war. We they do anyhow. We they push the wall. That one no mean say they go push us against the wall like Wetin they use of forever do us. Anyway, thank God for the life we do. Sing this song and the people will pay the dues. Oba talk me Baba. He say what up? We get no ye Baba. Oba karaye emekaye. Oba no marek be Oba karaye. If you think say the lag of any day, obieke bege wamiyeke. Now only Baba na they cover. Russia, area Baba.
Fucking correct, it's okay. So now, wait first. You don't tire?
No. Oh, Baba.
Yeah, use Okajesa testing. Okajesa.
Okay. Okajesa. Okay. Okajesa got talk. Oburo people. Anyway, with the year language tire sha, with the year san even be need journal. I greet all my people. Okaje sir, IB, Baba. Who got talk high? Now one of the king wey hold aside. I only greet all people wey come outside. Karoy, Hero Adasi Megbe, Uromi Ada Ipati, Hero Adasi Megbe and Uromi Ase Ada Ipati. Ekpo my Ada is cool, but anyway, that one at geographical. Razalize the boy with the big nigga from Benin. We even still enter is and hide the beef for that side. This is how we do. Sing a song and niggas we don't pay the dues. I only pray for the people who cover me. Anyway, do Egbesan.
Okay.
Thank you.
Use Esa and Bini are one. Use and sing. Esa and Bini say we are one. Yeah. That's
Okay, sir. Do Egbesan. Do Egbesan. All of us together, all of us now one. Now all of us for here, now we down and down. Now that one with the color Kugbo thing. Anyway, now unite every gods together. Bring Esan, bring Bini, all of us together. Auchi on one, all of us together. Now four region. Tell us how it be. No matter as it be. Now we get the things like Esagbedo Edonaye. Osagbedo Edonaye. Osagbedo Edonaye. Esan Egbedo. If I want to go Esan, I go enter through Bini too like that. If I want go Uromi, I go enter through Bini like that. If I want go Irua, I go enter through Bini like that. I dey thank all the people say when we dey together we dey do Oburo, 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 Oburo. Oh yeah. He said.
So my people, wetin we go do for wait, I don't think more call they talk too much. This guy he need help. You understand me? He's what do they call her? He's people people know the waka. Look at
Cripple.
level break. I dey clutch back those clutches. All those clutches they have no problem.
The crushes again now. The crushes again, ma. The crushes they don't dey bad. Or shopping,
So I got a clutches like the now.
We are again now. Even I had daji. Now this is Teolan. This pure water paper.
You do heavy, yeah. You do that, yeah. Oh, I know you, but no, I stress someone. So I can't deny you, but never.
Okay, they don't need balance.
Yeah, how do you go in that cat? I say I beg you. Okay, why update man? My only go na donate so that in a try na na ban na ya kwa na do wagbon master. So the guy get talent just because he's a leg waka me dey see wetin dey waka me dey see the leg. Get up. Every near. Anyway, here. After the waka. Where here?
They are here from Prince.
Father.
They are here.
How many years now? You quite o cérebro ni baba. O quite.
Alright, we boy, banana. Government will be taking care of him.
Wait, man, that's it. This man. When not here, the account number.
Okay.
Tie the account number.
80. Give me the man.
80
26
26
69
69
91
91
59.
59.
OP. Marvelous no Sakari.
OP. Okay. Look whether I correct. 80
Yes.
26 69 59.
Yes. 9159 no.
I beg anybody wey wan help, more na abeg. Muna help you
Abeg
check. I can't be this
walao
one.
walao wo.
Anybody know
Omo easy
the
now man e no easy for who dey waka ma well a condition again na. I say
Malawa.
man na ladian.
Greet the house, so I greet the house, so don't please. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry, sit down.
Yes. Abeg, I be get wetin I wan quickly talk. May I continue?
Continue now.
Why you not let them contribute money for your own account? For your own account, they go fit give
Oh, no
this
worry,
boy
no
the
worry.
money.
I leave that one. I must. I not did that one at them. Anything we want, then I not did that one now. If I don't open my foundation, I think what they do for my account. Oh my viewer, I viewer, it's not like I like there. Yeah, what they clap for me. Hey, Baba. I'm here, Baba.
Wadomo.
Some priest.
Hello.
Hello.
Wamudia, man, not verse. As anything we do for the brother, if he talk a year, or the time my man want give the rate buy this thing.
I
Reach
think
for
this guy, I think government fair help am for genocide the platform years back.
buy which for her.
No, I think government fair help am
No
for
help am at all. No see the help. Mona help person. Why do best spirit now? Mona help person. It be.
Walao. He need help seriously.
Don't praise.
The environment wey even dey safe
But the guy, oh, you know me with the guy no we interview himself. You know this guy as a Razali self. Even a woman at the taba. What the guy now to boy be explain it by. Why because a honor a past Nancy Kano. When a woman at about waka help, you carry 10 million. I bet anyway it was not you. A mama Lue Sega no.
Give me 10 million. They give you 10 million.
There is that one is.
Before that, they give you
If they fit talk, if
2018.
they talk pass this guy with the interview and so. Make
I wait 2018 guy no.
yeah, I not was it be 2018. Who give you 10 million?
Obaseki, during Obaseki regime.
The money reach your hand.
Now paper right up.
In a paper right up. Obaseki is coming, guy. Obaseki is coming, man.
So abeg enya.
Obaseki na here. He say na right up. They not give her 10 million. Obaseki, where are you? Where are you? You scam the less privileged. You scam them. Obaseki, wa cut him and Obaseki. We fold that guy now. We fold that.
No walao the environment in Nigeria dey ma at all.
It's wusu work. My camera die. Oh yeah, BBC muna carry this area. Carry camera face my brother. We make let me listen at time. Hey, this guy carry mic for your hand.
He dey talk to me.
Rosalie, give her mic. Muna dey concentrate on me. Muna dey concentrate on me.
Sir,
Who give you? They give you 10 million.
10 million. I say paper right up under the regime of Hero, Commissioner Hero.
So now paper right up. You not see money. You not see money for her.
Oh, but this Razali,
Yes, so.
Obaseki don't come out, as they okay now, they know who buy motor for you.
He say no see money for her, bros. When I come down, when I go the why do attack? If when I go brief video where they take give her the money cash. That's the way they say no see na paper.
Amamiene ni go. Audio money ga no, audio money.
Why don't instigate a problem?
Audio money ga no.
Audio money.
Audio money ga no, audio money.
Obaseki be scanning people in Edo State. Obaseki is as I lie Okpebolo cannot do this kind of thing. If Okpebolo promise money, go do it. Go see Patodi Kabaka. Okpebolo tell her say, I will build that hotel. Obaseki scatter. He said the Obaseki is a bad person for scattering your hotel. He said that your hotel, I'm going to build it. Obaseki, Okpebolo, he fulfilled the promise. He give Tony Kabaka the money to build that hotel. People don't say the money not reach to build the hotel, but Okpebolo paid close to 80% of that money. Okay, Obaseki now, he scam this guy. The commissioner, Mona call the commissioner name. Mona put the picture for this video. Make him talk. Commissioner that worked to Obaseki, Ero, you are not hearing me. Ero, Commissioner Ero, you are not hearing me. You are not hearing me. So family, more first.
No.
Wala wa support e. Ngeta yan rock bali mi account. Ngeta go la. Family abeg more support am. Nothing too small, nothing too big. They don't restrict my gift. I don't know why.
Wala, the environment in Nigeria, they matter. And you know, no, like business.
Wala, nothing too small, nothing too big. Wala, I support e.
Okay, 100 million but now. I'm way business. All year before.
The name of
$100 million.
the name of the account. They say what the name of the account.
Marvelous Nosaka Felix.
Marvelous Nosaka Felix. Abeg.
Yes.
His name na Marvelous Nosaka Felix. Abeg. Let everybody show love. The boy say he was the commissioner of Obaseki. Allegedly, he said the farmers. You hear me so? So ahead. Anything, nothing too small, nothing too big. What I put up for this account, I will pay. What the name again? What the name again?
Marvelous Nosaka Felix.
Marvelous Nosaka Felix. Abeg. Please, everybody.
Wala.
Wala. We'll give him now. We shall stick this stick. If we feel bad for Raphael, before we come talk whether we feel rent us or please. Nothing too small, nothing too big. Wala. We do all over the world.
Well, the environment in Joseph, I'm not sharp at all. I'm not sharp.
Let's show love, please. Wala. Let's show love. And now we media. Show love. Let's show love to our press. Less privilege. Please. But to be
Let's show love to Razali.
Me will put 50,000 for the account. Me myself.
Oh, era no gay.
Master.
Praise that you. Wesley. What? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Wesley. Thank you very much. God bless you.
God bless you, Don Prince.
God bless you, sir. God bless you.
Everybody with the line. I want to thank everybody, and they go through the message where people they also they write here. But one thing we will understand, I won't come to that area where they talk. If one thing we will understand for this life, let's assume he get that 10 million cash with this guy's situation, with his own situation now. If any money enter a hand, they not deal with somebody will go up and manage that money. Even though say 100 million, that money not you they useless.
You go finish and at 2018.
I know the size. Say whether
how about that one?
I not don't press one minute, sir. Because you know, say for this life, sometimes they fit give you help today. If you not get mostly as your own condition be so you not get somebody who volunteer to stay to give you guideline, make help you manage that money.
That say don't put 30,000 for the account. Check out whether I enter.
Wesley. You see the message?
Check any. But so you marry you check any. Ave fancy man here to NCCJD. I don't say she NCJ big woman.
Oh, my good one. If you don't enter, we go let you know. It don't come. Olane. Wesley, 30 kilo.
Yeah, we know Wetin here. Let's na kina. NCCJD at 5.
Wesley.
That 30,000 what you drop so go and check it. Not is 70 days.
We appreciate.
That money will burn multiple money for you. So shall it be. So shall it be. Now me be sugu. I be talking.
He said.
Now me talk.
Oracle has spoken.
That money.
That's how it go be.
Multiple money for you. Generate good things to you. So shall it be. Receiver, my sister. Receiver. So shall it be.
Amen. He said.
The art. What will call you question to spoil everywhere. It might like a video. So family, let's support this guy first. And now, these people who they on that and now, these one are humanitarian people. They are going to humanitarian or take over here now. So if anything for humanitarian now, it do sagaya. Humanitarian now I fuck up. He don't tell me away. They are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. Your family. Yeah, more support their beg. More your beg now. We shall feel bad for her today. And this boy waiting the waka. I'll be very happy. So Ginger, sorry, sir, I never attend to you. Ginger, you hearing me?
Wala wo.
Gina, sorry, sir, I never attend to you. I better attend to this.
Na help e no easy for who dey waka normal for the country, not to talk of
Please, anybody that want to support, please put it in the account, please. Everybody, please. If you put that for the account, just to say you put that for the account, I beg. Please, anybody that want to support, please. Hello, my sister. God bless you.
God bless you, sir.
wala.
God bless you.
Yeah. You have something to tell us?
Yeah, what people don't understand, even if they gave him 10 million in 2018 or 19, here in the UK, people like this, they pay them every month. They are giving an accommodation. It's every
Even for
month.
France, even for France, they pay them.
Yes.
It's every month. They check their
Nigeria is not like that.
When you look at the guy, he's not well kept, and see what he's working with. At least we should have a sorry heart. We should have sympathy. Even with what, if he has that money, he won't be working with his head. He won't be working with it, because I have a charity too. There was even a time I was looking for someone that needs wheelchair. If you see it on my profile, it's there. We gave it out. We didn't get in Benin.
Well,
God bless you, ma.
You're not going to check.
Not now. Not now. Wheelchair is not available now. So I just gave what I have.
Anybody get wheelchair to give her, please? If anybody get wheelchair to give her,
Abeg.
But if there is
He
any,
need wheelchair. He need wheelchair. Abeg. He need wheelchair.
let me know. If
You
there's
said?
any, I said if there is any wheelchair, I will let you know.
You emboss me, abeg.
Yeah, I will inbox you. Yeah.
So I beg, please, more support this account, please. You will
Abeg.
write for one now. Why did they suspend my gift now? What did they happen? I mean, at this. When they say I love TikTok shop. When they say I love TikTok shop.
Do. You know it.
When I say I love TikTok shop.
How much is wheelchair?
My sister, my brother say I must be wheelchair. My sister, they ask I must be wheelchair.
No idea yet, sir.
Like how much if you say best if you want buy wheelchair for an army talk.
I have a supplier in Lagos, but I don't know if I can reach them now. The person
Please.
that supplies us. Oh, I'm coming. I'll come back. Let me ask my manager.
Okay, God bless you, mama. God bless you. I'm very happy for that.
God bless you, ma.
These are humanitarian people I love. I love humanitarian people. People can show love. People who don't get double mind. This is beyond humanitarian and entertainment. And they get this.
Yes, sir.
So now they help the less privileged. You understand? So as they do that, this guy now, tomorrow will still carry this guy come out. If you raise money for her, anything will buy for her, they'll still come out and show the progress.
Yes, sir.
Progress. So hello, are they hearing me?
Yes, we are hearing you.
Okay, we're not going to see one here. We're going to see one here. Tamiya when you allow, you have the condition when you are you for one here. Let us show you love.
Baba, okay, any case you said, even when the people use me do gamble, that's something I be done. I can't do it for me. Well, how will make una help me? You don't be say good for me like this. Me, I the hustle every day to make sure say I grow. One day, survive. But be done, now be done. Humanitarian, now then one carry me go. If I dey lie, make water carry me go. Swear me, I know this come. Now my own, I dey do based on I don't pay my dues. Let me thank my people when the diaspora way they no one let hungry beat me. I thank all my people when the diaspora when no one let hungry beat me. No be say I good, not just grace nine they carry me go. If no be be
Grace.
done humanitarian. I for be any case even when government use me do gamble. I dey pray for the blessed that the hand that give it. I say blessed that the hand that the
Hello?
hand that
Abeg,
give
make I
it.
drop
No
something
be
for the
say I
account there,
good.
family,
Hello?
please. Let's drop something.
Hello?
Hello, Mama.
Yeah, I couldn't reach him now. What I would do, I will add 70,000 to that
Oh,
30,000 I
Yo,
added before.
mommy,
Igwe
God will
Yuto,
bless you.
Igwe Yuto.
What you no give you too
Humanitarian
much.
wa Igwe Yuto 100,000 yere na veya
Thank
maize.
you, thank you, thank you.
So,
Where's it,
Azali
where's
lo
it?
yele loto niya maize.
Where's it? Where's it? God
Egere
bless
ari
you.
awe ade
Where's it?
wishe nu e ade mi anu e.
Where's it?
Ogbona
Where's it? Where's
iwa.
it? Where's it?
yeah, please let
Not
me
too
finish.
much.
I will add
Now go they see money they use woto. Where's it? Who are ato?
O adeba wa bere.
yeah, I will add
Ogbona
70.
Not too
isi
much.
Yeah,
you
I will
gonna
add
see one way
Where's
this
it?
man we had 100,000. Yasi one was abo adeba e. Yasi one.
Where's it?
please let me finish first, please. I will
Okay.
add 70,000 to it now. That will be 100,000. So I will
Yeah.
talk to my supplier, but they are
Okay.
in Lagos. So you go and price in Benin. So whatever the difference is, I will add to that 100,000. But let me just make it
So what you
100,000.
will do? You will DM me so
I
that
will
I can
DM
call you.
you. Yeah, so you can call me.
Bless
And
you.
I will add it to it. Because if you check in my if you
Omo
check in my
Edowaye, if you comment again, I block your mark off for here. Omo Edowaye, if you comment here again, I block you. This you are a blogger that don't have sense. If you fool yourself again here, you are out of my program. Try nonsense again. This will not get discipline. Go and bring the video where they forgive this guy 10 million. Omo Edowaye, go and bring the video. The opportunity for you to carry this video now. May go put the Obaseki picture, put the raw picture, so that if they see her, make them know whether the body talk truth. You don't know how to do your work. You are your year. The tatafo. Also, man, grow now. Man, grow. Have a give me man grow. Maybe grow somewhere.
yes,
Omo
don't please,
Edowaye, I will
don't
never
please.
may grow. Maybe grow somewhere.
Yeah, don't please.
Who years was well. We
Hello,
better we
don't
blog guy. Now what time we blog you why?
yeah,
Now
don't
what
please.
result? Why we blog you okay a trade? You are doing a trade. Can't even warn you over there. I don't feel warn you that day. You are doing blogging of a trade. You can never meet up. You can never meet us. This a trade you don't work with. You can never meet up. When man at a door please. You guys say you know. What over when leg? It's supposed to working. Now you by yourself wrong. You can never meet up because you dey already do wetin no get sense. Person dey confess for you to quick carry the video make you go put am for your platform make e cause awareness so that those people fit sef say dem rob this guy. Wahala total you wey wan say 100,000 and 10 million at the same. The woman that brought 100,000 now, is she not try to bring 100,000 to help humanitarian? Is easy? Omo Edowaye, this is the last time you made mistake in my platform again. If you try again, you are out of my platform. You will not enjoy me again. You will not hear me again. You are not hearing me anyway. Gary, if fake a cat to Gary again anyway. Again anyway. So as you dey get respect now, respect yourself before I fool you. Omo Edowaye, you know yourself. So let's go. You get plenty account, don't worry. But this one will take the call everybody. No, if I block and I no level for you again. Anytime you take, I don't see you. I don't see if you see comment any, I'll see they block you, they go. So respect yourself. So my sister, God bless you. I heard what you say. Unmute yourself, my sister. MCCJ, okay, she's online. So family, please let's support this guy. Before we vote, if I use this woman name, sing this woman wey wan somebody give am 100,000 so. I always see one by and wheelchair. I bet me use the woman name sing. And then MCCJ. Say MCCJ, me use am sing.
Hello.
MC.
Please
All right.
send the 70,000.
The shey she don send the 70,000. Check whether I don enter.
Okay.
MCCJ.
Your car is sending 30,000 pounds. When you sending something, allow, allow. So
CJ, MCJJ, now God will bless you. Now God will
Amen.
bless you for this humanitarian way you do for this.
MCCJ, mama wey dey try for boys. MCCJ, mama wey dey try for boys. Who I be when I come? Benin, Elema, Elema, like me, see the life. I see MCCJ, mama, God bless you. MCCJ, mama, God bless you. Obi say it too good oh, but na grace dey follow me. I like the way you shower the blessings on me. Thank you, mama. I love you, die. Like grace, nobody fit replace. Say, mama, CJ, God bless you for life. Long life and prosperity,
God
God
mama.
bless.
bless you,
God bless. God bless.
CCJ.
God. Thank you.
God
We
bless you,
appreciate.
CCJ. So,
God
so
bless you.
MCCJ, God bless you. So anytime you just inbox me if the thing is ready, the wheelchair inbox me so that I can let them to any location you want them to carry the wheelchair. They can carry it and they will still come out on live video and appreciate your kindness and your
So
humanitarian.
what I said,
Mercy.
don't pick what I said. The 100,000 that I sent,
Yeah,
yeah. If it
yeah.
covers the wheelchair in Benin, fine. But if it doesn't, I will talk to my supplier so they can contact him. I will send his contact to you. So
Okay.
then I will complete the money. I will give him the complete money.
So that
That
they can go and buy it.
100,000. Yeah, the 100,000 with them. If it's not enough, I will add to it. I can't remember the last one we
Okay,
bought.
okay, no problem. Thank you. Yeah, you tried. You really tried. No problem.
I can't
So you're in
remember
boss
the
me. I
last
will
one.
get back to you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Tuale,
will
tuale.
get you.
So, family, please, we are still here. Please, family, anybody that want to support, this is his OP. Please, everybody should try. Let's support this guy. Obaseki, they fraud him. They didn't give him anything. If Obaseki will bring the money or he give it to the commissioner, if the commissioner did not give to this guy, Obaseki is supposed to come out and investigate the issue about the money. But now Obaseki is in Ezra. We don't even know where he is. Abat Obazen also is covering for him. That is very soon. You will see him in Benin. 4 years is about to complete. We have not seen Obaseki. He's running away up and down, up and down. He's hiding. He's hiding. Ululak Benyeyi. As you can see now, next 4 years again, Opeboro will resume office again. He will continue his 4 years again. Another 8 years. Obaseki will still be hiding and hiding. Abat Obaze will continue to play self-defense, continue to defend, continue to defend. A defense of Agbeya. A defense of Agbeya. A defense of Agbeya. Sasa akala ya. Ima ami boya win 8 years now. 8 years now, Ima win. Another 8 years in of a day, Ima ami muno man, Ima ami like. APC go gbé pa Nigeria re. APC oye. Na go gbé pa Nigeria re. First lady, they are not hearing me. They are not hearing me. Na go gbé pa Nigeria re. Yeah, worry decision, me decision me. What's na me even na. What they say I love TikTok. Why did they give me decision like this? When I say I love TikTok show. Wọ́n bí láà o 4 years na ìgbà òpẹ́bolo àgbé with 4 years of it àgbé with 4 years of it 8 years na ìgbà APC òwe gbé méye dé débò èdè APC òwe gbé méye dé. So family abeg mo na use my mind mo give this brother something mo help this our brother abeg.
Family, I beg.
Family so Razak
Waya wa wese.
erinyan we gbé sí one of my lovely fans wey dey come in now. Hey, see my mommy don call. One of my mommy don call. One of my mommy don call. Hello, mommy. Mommy, long time.
Why did you drag your wife?
I go drag my wife. Mommy, you call me later. You call me later. But I dey do humanitarian now. One guy just dey, one disabled dey here. I dey live.
Okay, later now.
Watch my life on TikTok. I watch my life. One disabled just dey here now. Who dey help
I'm
now?
not the TikTok. I'm not the TikTok. I'm not the TikTok.
You